Looking for the best jelly roll pans? In this video we look at some of the top 3 jelly roll pans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Nordic Ware, Natural Aluminium Commercial Baker's Jelly Roll Baking Sheet. Pros: we love that Nordic Ware is a family business. Commercial quality means no warping or denting. This is a heavy, rigid sheet with reinforced rims for extra sturdiness. The pure aluminium heats evenly for perfect results. Cons: does not have a non-stick surface. Bottom line: this commercial quality pan is made out of pure aluminium, so it will never rust. At number 2. OXO, Good Grips Non-Stick Pro Jelly Roll Pan. Pros: heavy grade aluminized steel evenly distributes heat. Micro-textured pattern releases food easily. 2-layer coating reduces risk of scratches. Nice square rolled edges provide a secure grip. Cons: the textured baking surface can be difficult to clean. Bottom line: combines great quality and value with nice details for durability. At number 1. USA Pan, Non-Stick Jelly Roll Baking Pan, and Cooling Rack. Pros: high quality design with aluminized steel and a patented silicone non-stick coating. Corrugated surface improves airflow around food, helping even baking. The included cooking rack has a cross wire design to avoid your goodies slipping through. Comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Cons: needs to be handled with TLC, since the non-stick coating seems delicate. Bottom line: classic jelly roll pan and cooling rack that's made to last. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.